Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of dealing with clogged dryer vents and the potential fire hazards they pose? The Holikme 2 Pieces Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit is here to change that. This top-rated and best-selling product is designed to make cleaning your dryer vents a breeze. With its flexible and handy vacuum hose, you can easily reach behind appliances and into tight spaces, feeling the satisfying suction power as it picks up lint and debris. The kit is incredibly easy to set up and use, with a texture that feels sturdy and durable in your hands. As you insert the attachment into the vent, you'll hear the sound of lint and debris being loosened and removed, leaving your vent feeling clean and clear. The hose adapter is suitable for most vacuum cleaners, making it a versatile and convenient tool for regular cleaning. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its effectiveness and ease of use. By cleaning your dryer vents regularly with the Holikme kit, you can prevent excessive buildup and reduce the risk of dryer fires. The kit is also perfect for cleaning behind other appliances, such as refrigerators and ovens, making it a valuable addition to your home and kitchen gadgets. In real-life use, this product has proven to be better than others on the market due to its ease of assembly and use, as well as its ability to reach deep into dryer vents. The result is a cleaner, safer, and more efficient dryer that will save you time and money in the long run. With the Holikme 2 Pieces Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit, you can have peace of mind knowing your dryer vents are clean and clear, and that you're taking an important step in maintaining your home's safety and efficiency. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.